Orlando area residents Whitney and Stephen Gelpy are exploring the idea of selling their home and moving.
Our current house is a little under 2,200 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom.
When we moved from Southern California, we had the two of us. We had a 2.5-year-old at the time. She is now 7. We've also added another one to our family. Our son is 3 years old now. As they grow and get bigger, they have more stuff. That makes it feel a little tight sometimes. When we first moved into this home, it was a true 4-bedroom. We had a room that was kind of a catch-all. It was an office/guest room, could be a little bit of a playroom. We had all the kids' craft supplies in there. Stephen and I both used to go to an office on a daily basis. Now we are actually working from home, both of us, so we turned that 4th bedroom into fully an office. We have our desks side by side, definitely a little tighter now, not really extra room for the kids to play outside of their room, nowhere for guests. I've kind of gravitated to, picking up my phone or my iPad and kind of scrolling through different home listings in the neighboring areas. I love it when our friends tell us if they start looking for homes, I can send them listings.
Realtor.com is not only a place to find homes for sale, but you can actually find ways to sell your home. Whitney and Stephen went to Realtor.com/sell to see their home's value and check out what their selling options are. By claiming their home on the My Home tool, they could see the value estimates from 3 independent sources. And with the seller's marketplace, they found some of the ways they could sell their home. The couple found Realtor Loida Velasquez on Realtor.com and invited her over to find out more about their selling options.
Based on the My Home tool from Realtor.com, as you can see here, it provides us with a lot of great information. Based on what has recently sold, your home is estimated at $500,000, which is what I believe the sweet spot for us to go on the market for.
Wow, yeah, that's clearly, much higher than we paid for it, and much better than I would have expected.
Yes, great. And if we scroll down here, you can see that homes that have recently sold in this neighborhood range between $480,000 and $525,000. So virtually think of the $500,000 as a starting point, because it's going to be very possible that we get multiple offers and sell for more than asking price.
Yeah.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah.
So this is our first time ever going through the process of listing a home, and we're kind of curious, what are the benefits of choosing to list with a realtor?
So I'm sure that you both have seen that we have been in a seller's market, which means that there are more buyers than there are homes available for sale. So listing your home with a real estate agent allows you to expose your home to every single buyer out there and their agent, which will allow you to ultimately get multiple offers.
That sale price is really what we're laser focused on. We're at the stage where we need to start planning for our kids' futures.
Another great way that you are able to sell your home is with an iBuyer. An iBuyer, essentially, they are companies that give you cash offers for your home. And the cool thing is that they do it instantly. So you don't have to worry about appraisals or inspections, buyers coming through the house, you having to step out.
Are iBuyers available everywhere?
iBuyers are not available everywhere. However, lucky for you, they are available here in Orlando.
It's kind of a tough decision because it sounds like it's the options of value versus convenience.
I definitely get a little anxious when I think about making sure that the house would be ready at any moment for potential buyers to come in with work and having to drop that, but also making sure that my kids' rooms are clean. I do see a huge benefit to kind of the convenience side as well. I feel like you did such a great job explaining, all the different options and pros and cons, so I think it's given us a lot to think about.
Yeah, all really exciting stuff.
Yes, and I'm here to help you and answer any additional questions that you guys might have. Check out Realtor.com's seller guides. They have a lot of different guides there specifically for you.
Thinking about selling? Get started on Realtor.com/sell and head to designingspaces.tv to learn more.